Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a boy and his father. They were walking in the mountains. It was a nice day. The sun was shining. The trees were tall. Suddenly, the boy fell down. He hurt himself. He shouted loudly, "Eh!" To his surprise, he heard a sound from the mountain. It was the same sound. "Eh!" The boy was curious. He shouted again, "Who are you?" The voice replied back, "Who are you?" The boy felt happy. He yelled, "I admire you." The voice answered, "I admire you." But then the boy became angry. He shouted, "Coward." The voice replied, "Coward." Now the boy was confused. He turned to his father and asked, "What is happening?" The father smiled kindly and said, "My son, listen carefully." Then the father shouted, "You are a champion." The voice returned, "You are a champion." The boy was very surprised. He still didn't understand. The father explained, "This is called an echo, but it is also like life. Life gives back everything you say or do. If you want more love in the world, show more love in your heart." The boy listened closely. The father continued, "If you want to be better, work on yourself. Life reflects your actions, what you give to life. Life gives back to you." The father looked at his son and said, "Your life is not an accident. It is a reflection of you." And with that, the boy smiled. He understood the lesson. The mountains echoed his feelings. What you say comes back to you just like an echo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.